Meta for Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp eyomodia. Edi omonso AI chatbot nso edi aba. Yehwe sa AI chatbot yi. Omo frɛ no Meta AI na ewo WhatsApp nim. Nti bio WhatsApp at the moment enye obia ena wo this feature. And se otia ye na so enya ntemu a obetimi atra hwe how is it here. But so onye nya wo dia mane how by the end of this month and said next month ne bia no obia enye. Omunya nka when na o me really out dia ma obia de. But e me madwe na mde ka. Astarte aba binum de esu na chese nam kwan so a obia so nsa so ebeka ne de. Nti we dey to me use sa AI we. Ukọ WhatsApp ni mo hwe strobon say ask Meta AI or search eda ho. That means obetumi a search eyi bi opese o search about. Nti emfa ne say me pese me search about I didn't mean search about. All right. I'm on for table say iPhones and Samsung phones. Which are better? Nti mo amutebusa question and then bisa AI amamu. Mo ade bia na mo bisa na iPhone and Samsung. Hwan na mo phone style papa no ke me bisa AI de amamu. Nti yenko yehwe de AI ebeka che iPhones and Samsung phones which are better. Nti yentwen de AI ebeka e de a che. I say the choice between an iPhone and a Samsung phone depends on your personal preferences and needs. Here are some key differences. Or say more differences grand they account. Here are some key differences. I say design. Both brands offer unique designs. Productivity. The S Pen on Samsung Galaxy phones makes them a great choice for creative and productive tasks. Ebini S Pen ibini. Performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a more advanced chip architecture, making it a better option for gaming. Next one, camera. Both phones have excellent cameras, but the Samsung S24 Ultra has a higher zoom range and camera resolution. It has or the Samsung S Pen or the Samsung Samsung or back gaming studio or the iPhone. iOS and device ecosystem. The choice between iOS and Android depends on your existing ecosystem and personal preferences. Into enyamina make AI, Meta AI, ena elma the answers no. Enti uwia or not miss more. Questions I want to say, what is the best camera phone for selfies? Wow, pay huno. Maybe sa Meta AI, ediamo. What are the best camera phone for selfies? All right, yan click is the Meta AI for Ebeka Ache. I say Samsung S24 series, Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, Google Pixel 7a, and also more OnePlus 12. So, where AI chatbot Meta for the aba. Sisi an obia try say wokɔ ne platform on person be free ho. So obi use iPhone obi free no akɔ Google and say wakɔ ChatGPT na afina ɔkɔ search for bibi. Meta for say hona na ope bibi a search. Na me hwɛ say bia obenya information bia mama about ene trending news AC ewo Ghana. Ma me bisa ne hwɛ say me wo hona metumi read trending news ewo Ghana. What are the trending news in Ghana on X today? Intende trending news ben ena trendy ewo Twitter and I say X ende. Maybe so bit me bia mamia. Trending news in Ghana on X today. All right. Also, Asamoah has expressed his willingness to be the running mate for Bawumia. A man staged a half-naked protest against the anti-gay bill. The Ministry of Transport has instructed the police to monitor drivers who increase their fares. The UN and key partners are set to launch the I Pledge for Peace campaign ahead of the 2024 election. And now the central region has seen a 23% reduction in fire outbreaks according to the Ghana National Fire Service. Okay, Maminko X, Maminko say if any of these are trending now, because in some no more can be no, a be a fofro Emma Mikra. Mami. All right, GH1 News, Morino News been 2027. Where were three Alan Chamantin, Pep Guardiola, Tinubu, John Mahama, Zidane, performance tracker. Anyway, it depends on me preference. But Sana ewa hase. But all the same, this is really smart of Meta. Say omodi AI ebeba be share WhatsApp so bi bisa obibi ebia no onu obi chat na we use word bi na wonti ase no anse we bi Meta AI ebia modi nkomo na amonfo obi ho ano aye ASAP ASAP echesen e ho ano be type AI ASAP means no click no wetie there obeka che Meta AI o say I say ASAP is an abbreviation for the phrase as soon as possible. They say we need the crime once we aboashim no catch you now I go back. Okay. And yeah, me yen in term na media amount. So I think say we a very smart move on the part of Meta. Bitimi aboama say o person search for any information bia obetimi. But mama bi say we omo mta pe articles etro no. Mama we say obetimi say adwuma na write a 2,000 word article on advantages and disadvantages of bigger screens on smartphones. And write a 2,000 word article on advantages and disadvantages of bigger screens on smartphones. All right. Mami say or that capability na and I say be a small tax and obesolve. Wow. What started tro? Wow. Also heading near the great screen debate weighing the advantages and disadvantages of bigger screens on smartphones. In recent years, the trend in smartphone design has leaned towards larger screens. What try know about advantages, disadvantages? Well, word count 1,997. That means almost 2,000 words. But Sibio Sitroni, but article format. But I think this be a question I may be saying no amwa now mami nye no me be saying question for acting as the editor of BBC. Write a 2,000 word article on advantages and disadvantages of bigger screens on smartphones for publishing on the website. All right. Maybe how will bit me actual win so amaye. The future is really exciting. We are see corner. The future is really exciting. Promises say niema ebesi dachi no enye better kra. Things will be much easier. Sisi amon for because there be amon for lazy. But the question is why pebre? Obi any we are so pebre. The reason why bre is because there are no alternatives to the brain. But to be biara obenya solution to brain no enter nipa ye machine, enter nipa ye car, enter nipa ye phone send be ya ebeti ye brain so. To see enya more technology a eti ye brain so I think it's a step in the right direction. Obi no opebre brain achievement. Obi no awabra me achi na de so wa bread do je. You see, so I think say a boy anyway how we throw first one say no say throw we. But even that when the big crowd count I think say we be more than okay, when the word count 1,999, what the conclusion the aba or the verdict at the aba, whether say big screens are better or small screens are better. Anyway, make copy sa text we say be call me YouTube description wana come beto na wa kan when I say fine me the link in the beto ha me share e wo Google Drive him and I say Google Doc na me the link na to na wa kan ahwe say sa script ya AI actual mawe senke article eno atwa ma obi ani pakro behu se AI ena a script ya na kudos to Meta say mo introduce you be say very soon mo amunya this feature on mo phone so no mo be start enya why be you saying e was a Meta AI ho so ni gi video ho subscribe share video e ma friends so be hwe bi na comment bi o bi an so leave no ase yakopon share we say share bio another time bye bye.